Hello, everyone. I'm Karolina Mackiewicz, the project manager for MyData Online 2020, and it's my greatest pleasure to welcome you to the conference. This is the fifth MyData conference and the first online, and we're extremely happy that you decided to join us. This event is organized by MyData Global, an international non-for-profit headquartered in Finland, which operates around the world with members and hubs on all continents. The annual conference is the place where the community and partners gather, exchange ideas, learn from each other, and push forward the ideas for the fair data economy and human-centric approach to personal data. MyData Online 2020 will bring together people from different professional backgrounds, business, legal, tech, and society from all over the world, with some countries represented for the very first time. This brings us joy that despite the challenges we all experienced this year, MyData Online 2020 opens the perspectives for new connections and collaborations. Finally, MyData conferences are known for being the most social events people attended. Despite the fact that this one is organized online, we bring you a lot of joyful social program and opportunities to meet, network, and enjoy the 3 days of December together. Let's end the 2020 on a high note. And now my colleague Sille Sepp, who is the program lead for the conference, will explain in detail what you can expect from the event.
Thank you, Karolina. So the overarching theme of MyData Online 2020 conference is radical collaboration for designing the new normal. Both sides of this sentence can have very particular meanings in the context of the past year, but we emphasize also their aspirational side, the collaboration needed to accelerate change towards a fair, sustainable, and prosperous digital society. The past year has highlighted many of the strengths and weaknesses, as well as opportunities and threats about the current use of personal data and our capacity to empower individuals and societies with personal data. At the same time, there has been a lot of great developments in data policy and data practices. The collaboration taking place to foster a shared understanding about the infrastructure as well as governance among personal data services has been truly remarkable. During the MyData Online 2020 conference, you will have the chance to hear about the relevant know-how acquired and deepen the thought leadership in this domain. This is not just another virtual conference. This is a place for asking tough questions and be open for joint efforts to find answers to these questions. We need radical collaboration across sectors, a wide spectrum of expertise, and around the globe to enable better and more creative problem solving. An online conference can foster this radical collaboration more than ever before. And we do this to make a human-centric approach to personal data as the new normal in data practices and policies. This approach is based on the 6 MyData principles described further in the MyData Declaration. Now, while the program is built upon the unique contributions, each of those are also developed around stories from the bigger narrative of MyData, human-centric approach to personal data. And we do this to find common ground and establish shared language. The individual sessions at MyData Online 2020 will share stories about real use cases and innovative solutions that put the individual in the center of the data. We will hear stories that help us contextualize some of the key developments in the personal data management to a bigger picture. Each of those shine light either on the front side, meaning the experiences that a human-centric approach to personal data would bring to the individual and to the society, how it would change the future and create a new normal for the ways how personal data is used. Or backside of these developments, meaning everything that will need to be developed and applied in the real world in order to achieve that future. That includes having collaborators and partners to work with, data that can be transferred from one service to another, standards and certifications, business models, technical infrastructures, you name it. And we invite you to explore the rich program through our program network map available on our website and as well as in the virtual venue. You can use the different perspectives on the map, as well as the 20 thematic tags to find the most relevant content for you. There will be 8 plenary sessions with an amazing list of invited presenters, sharing light on the bigger questions around privacy respecting identity, how to create incentives for a competitive and democratic ecosystem, as well as scale the personal data economy, among many other topics. There will be 39 breakout sessions running over 24 hours to make content available to people around the world. We will have 6 demo land sessions, an open space, and last but not least, we will have fun together during the social events. So come along with us on this journey to explore the collaboration that is already happening and will still need to be taken up to design a better new normal in data practices and policy. And I want to end with an encouragement to think and share with us, what is your story that is tied around MyData? Thank you.